Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson we'll be drawing Blanky, Blankz and Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. Now this is a short and simple lesson because there's not a lot of detail to this character. But we do want to start in the center page. We want to draw a large circle for the head. So let's start at the very top. We're going to start with the left side. Just going to bend this around. And we just want to pull this in toward the center. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Going all the way around and then bend that in. Now with our circle in place, we want to draw in that zipper mouth. So we're going to start on the left side. We're just going to bend this across and pull that up a little bit higher on the right. So we start right here. Start by dipping this down and then curving that up so it goes higher on the right side. Now I want to trace that same curve along the bottom. Let's add a simple zipper texture inside. So starting on the left, draw a straight line coming down. Let's leave a gap and continue all the way over towards the right side of the mouth. Along the top of the mouth, we're going to add some stitch lines. So these short little lines that go across. Again, just following that same curve. And we want to do the same thing across the bottom of the mouth. Along the top half of the head, we're going to draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left from the very top. Go all the way around toward the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a gap and draw that same size circle on the right. So we're just going to lift this up a little bit higher, and down, and then back up. Let's trace the eyes along the inside. So we're going to leave a thin trim all the way around from top to bottom. And then we want to add those thick X's inside the eyes. Let's start on the top left, come down and up like a V. Now I want to flip that across the bottom. I go up, again leaving a gap in between these 2 points. I want to do the same thing coming in from the side. Let's do the same thing on the right eye. And we'll fill in each of these points in black. Now with the head complete, we want to draw the zipper pull over on the left side. So we start out here, we're going to draw a circle just tucked in towards the side. Now we just want to trace that along the inside. And then the bottom of the pull. Starting from the bottom, it's going to angle this down and out. Now this is a thick block letter M. So add that point in the center. Flatten off the bottoms. Go up and left, and then add that point in the center. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the body. We'll start over on the left side. We're going to bend the body going out and then down. Move over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down toward the same height. Now this character is sitting on the floor, so we see the bottom of the feet. So let's start from here. We're going to draw a circle from the bottom of the foot, go all the way around, and then back up. Now let's go over towards the right side. I'm just going to bend the top of the leg, going across, a slight curve. And then right here, we're going to draw an oval, coming down toward the same height, and then back up. Let's go back to the inside of the leg. We're going to draw a trim, going around, and then out toward the bottom of the leg. And then in between the legs, we're going to add a curve. Let's add a fold in the center of the body, going up and then down. Now I want to drape the arms along the side. Let's start with the one on the right. We're going to step over from the top of the body, bend this out, and then down in behind the leg. Now over on the right side, we're going to see the thumb. Just going to poke this out and in, and then draw the hand. Bend this out, curl the hand, and then bend that back in towards the foot. Now I want to take that same hand and flip it over on the left side in behind the side of the foot. So we start with the thumb, going out, and then in, step over, curve the hand coming down, round out the hand, go up, and then down. Now we're going to go back out to the top and draw the outside of the arm coming out and then down on top of the hand. I'll draw the inside edge of the arm, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Blanky Blankz from Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.